let me show you how to fix no sound on WhatsApp status. Now, if either your WhatsApp status or someone else's status doesn't have any sound, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, first, just open up the WhatsApp app on your iPhone or Android, and you'll be able to see your WhatsApp status or other statuses here after you tap on updates here. Now, if you don't have any sound, there are a couple things we'll do. First, close out of the WhatsApp app completely, and then let's check a couple of things by swiping down from the top right. We're going to check to basically see if you're connected to a Bluetooth network, if your sound is off, or if Do Not Disturb is turned on, any of those. So the first thing we're going to do is hit this slider and turn it all the way up on the volume. You need to make sure the volume is all the way up. But we're also going to check to see if you have a Do Not Disturb focus mode turned on. So if you have Do Not Disturb or any of those turned on, just toggle it to turn it off. Now, after we've done that, let's check a couple things in your settings itself. So let's open up the settings and make sure you don't have silent mode turned on. You can access that just by scrolling down and tapping on sounds and haptics. And from here, you can see silent mode. If this is turned on, it might prevent any of that sound from being able to play. So make sure to turn that off. And after we've done that, let's just check the WhatsApp app to see if it works. So again, go to updates and see if the sound works then. If it still doesn't work, let's hop out here and go back into your settings, because potentially there's an issue with your Bluetooth being connected to a different device. So just head into the Bluetooth. You can see if it says you're connected to a different device like a speaker or headphones, make sure to just disconnect from that or just completely turn your Bluetooth off and see if it works at that point. Now, another thing that is a big culprit is there could be a glitch in that WhatsApp app. So just go to the general section of your settings here, and then we're going to go to iPhone storage if you're on an iPhone, or if you're on an Android, just find the WhatsApp app here. And we're going to clear out the cache and temporary files by offloading it. Again, if you're on an Android phone, you'll just see a button to clear the cache and to clear the storage. So just go through that route. But on the iPhone, we're going to offload the app and then reinstall it. This a lot of times fixes that bug or glitch within the WhatsApp app. But if it still doesn't, the next thing I would recommend doing is trying to turn your phone off and back on. So press the volume up and side button, and then just slide to power your phone off, completely disable it, and it should be working at that point.